Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by securing compute and data now. Don't wait. Get a GPU instance with 8 GB plus RAM or a cloud trial because training on tiny CPU setups will be painfully slow. Next, collect 1, 0, 0, 0 to 10, 0, 0, 0 clean input-output examples formatted as JSONL. This is the core signal your model learns from. Once done, pick a small pre-trained GPT checkpoint as the base. It reduces training time and preserves language knowledge, so you focus on adaptation instead of training from scratch. Now you fine-tune. Tokenize your dataset using the base model's tokenizer so tokens align. Start training with a low learning rate, around 1E5 to 5E5, and use gradient accumulation to mimic larger batches if RAM is limited. Monitor training loss and validation metrics each epoch and save checkpoints frequently. This prevents losing progress. Once you see steady validation improvement, run targeted prompts to check real-world behavior and make small hyperparameter adjustments rather than sweeping changes to avoid destabilizing the model. Finish by exporting the fine-tuned model into a deployable format like Torch script or ONCs, then optimize with quantization to lower memory and latency. Deploy to a test endpoint and run end-to-end prompts, including edge cases, so you observe real behavior and measure response times. If you hit hallucinations, instability, or overfitting, reduce the learning rate, add more diverse data, and clean noisy examples. Those steps typically fix most issues without retraining from scratch. Finally, version your checkpoints and document the final recipe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.